Are you looking for a valuable and practical career? Our electrical installation courses give you the tools that you need to take that first step towards qualified electrician status. Our full-time courses give you a highly varied range of crucial skills, from installing new electrical systems to the maintenance of existing ones. In your engaging practical-based sessions, you will explore key principles of electrical installation, including the installation of wiring systems and enclosures, discovering the principles of electrical science, and you will gain important health and safety knowledge. An electrician is every homeowner's best friend. So domestic or commercial, it's an in-demand trade to keep homes and businesses ticking over, keeping them operational, safe and secure. Start your electrical career today and find out more about our electrical installation courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.